Pumping thin or viscous fluid is a demanding challenge for many industrial applications. Chemical processing, paints, coatings, adhesives, food, beverage, pharmaceuticals, heat transfer, all require efficient, reliable control of difficult-to-handle fluids. Many pump technologies have been tried in these applications, but often struggle to deliver the highest level of reliability and operational effectiveness. There is a better solution. The G-Series internal gear pump is designed with only 2 moving parts, making it ideal for precise and consistent transfer of demanding fluids for industrial applications. Internal gear pumps feature a simple yet effective method of operation. The rotor and idler gears unmesh at the suction port to create an atmospheric vacuum that draws fluid into the pump. The space between the rotor and the idler teeth transports the fluid to the discharge port. As the rotor turns, the fluid is forced through the crescent-shaped area of the wetted path, providing a consistent volume of fluid to the discharge port. The continuous spinning of the rotor and idler transfers the liquid through the pump, while the crescent fills the gap between the rotor and idler to maintain suction. The result is a pump that is reliable, durable, and capable of overcoming the most difficult fluid transfer needs in a wide range of industrial applications. G-Series pumps are also universally interchangeable with a number of competitive brands, making them a drop-in solution that doesn't require excessive downtime or repiping. Maintenance is also easy with a single adjustment end clearance and an enlarged bearing housing that provides easy drive end access to the shaft seal. G-Series internal gear pumps, the ultimate solution for handling critical, hard-to-control industrial fluids.
PSG, where innovation flows.